Hello children, hope you are all safe at home, spending time with your mom and dad. Let us learn a new lesson in EVS 2. The basic needs for a human and a very important one. We cannot live without these. Can you guess what are the important things we need in our life? Yes, food, clothes and shelter. These three are the basic things for a human to live. Today we are going to learn about food and clothes. India has different states. Food and clothes depends on the weather conditions of each place. People have different food habits, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarians means the people eat fruits, vegetables, wheat, pulses. Non-vegetarian people eat fish, meat, egg, vegetable and fruits. Do you know our Indian food is rich in taste and flavor? Rice, wheat, a variety of pulses, vegetables and fruits are eaten by most Indians. The way of cooking differs from state to state. Different types of oils like mustard oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil and ghee are used to cook Indian food. Sometimes when mummy cooks food in the kitchen, the smell pulls you inside to have the food immediately. Have you ever felt that? Yes, it is because of the spices added in the food. Spices like turmeric, cloves, pepper, cumin seeds, coriander and cardamom adds flavor and taste to our food. Let us see some spices here. Turmeric, it is a good antiseptic. Cloves, good spice used as a medicine for toothache. Pepper, it is rich in vitamin A, C and K. It helps in our immune system. In ancient times, people used pepper instead of chilies. Cumin, it contains iron and helps in digestion. In South Indian food, rasam is one of the important items. Mummy makes rasam with pepper and cumin seeds. Cardamom, which gives nice aroma to our food. We add cardamom in almost all our sweets. People in North India eat chapatis more because wheat grows very well in those places. People of Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala mostly eat rice. Indians are also famous for their vegetarian and non-vegetarian curries. People of Goa, West Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Odisha loves to eat fish. People from North and Central India are fond of spicy chicken and mutton dishes and kebabs. A variety of fruits are grown in India. Kashmir is famous for apples. West Bengal and Maharashtra is famous for mangoes. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Here I would like to tell you few food items which helps to maintain your health as well as growth. First and foremost, you need to drink lots of water. 60% of the body is made up of water. It helps to maintain body temperature and to keep the skin healthy. Whatever vegetable your mummy gives you, eat it. Don't say no to any vegetable. It improves our overall health and keep the organs in a perfect condition. Vegetables are the important sources of many nutrients. I would suggest you to eat one raw carrot every day. Carrots are good for your eyes. Next, drink milk every day. Milk is rich in calcium to keep our bones strong. If you are strong, you can play for a long time in the playground. Have any one fruit daily. Fruits are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. Have you heard the popular proverb, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Yeah, that means eating nutritious and healthy food keeps you in good health. You need not visit the doctor. A non-vegetarian diet includes chicken, meat, eggs and fish. Also has several health benefits because this type of food is rich in protein and vitamin B. Let us move on to sweets now. Yummy sweets. No festival or celebration in India is complete without sweets. Why do we celebrate festivals? Tell me. Most of the festivals are religious festivals. What festival do you celebrate? We celebrate festival because that is the time where we meet our friends and relatives and have fun. We make traditional sweets, we wear traditional clothes, and we share the sweets with our relatives and friends. Can we see some sweets here? Laddu, yummy laddu. It's made of besan. Pedas. It's made from milk. Halwa. It's made from wheat. Sevine, made from vermicelli, milk and jaggery. You know, South Indian breakfast is the best breakfast in the world because idli is a steamed food, has more carbohydrate for energy and easily digestible. Sambar and vada are rich in proteins. Now, let us move into clothing. How we Indians have variety of food habits, we have different ways of dressing. Clothes worn in different parts of the country depends on the climatic conditions. Fibers such as cotton, silk, rayon are woven into cloth, also known as fabric. These different types of fabrics are used to make our clothes in different colors. Most of the women in India wear saris, salwar kameez. Girls wear jeans, shirts, t-shirts. Ghagra choli is a popular dress in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Men wear sherwani, lungi, kurta, dhoti, trousers and shirts. The dhoti has different names. In Tamil Nadu it is veshti and in Kerala it is known as mundu. The turban is worn by men in many parts of our country. The dastar is a turban worn by the Sikh men in India. As I told you, we wear clothes depends on the season. In summer, we prefer to wear cotton clothes because it absorbs our sweat. During monsoon, we wear raincoats and carry umbrellas, and in winter, we carry shawls and wear sweaters. We wear woolen clothes to keep us warm. And we wear formal dresses and jewelry for weddings and festivals. Let us recall what we have learnt in this lesson. Food and clothes. Vegetarian, non-vegetarian food. And in clothes, what women wear, what men wear, and what about the seasonal clothing. So hope you understood the lesson, children. You have the textbook with you. Please take the textbook, read the lesson, underline the unfamiliar words, write those words in your rough notebook, read it again and again, and write it also so that you are familiar with the words, its spellings and the whole lesson also. Happy learning, children.